I feel very honoured, actually, for somebody who left school with 2 O-levels. It's something of an achievement. I thought you had to get more than that to get a degree. But no, it's a great honour, particularly to be here in Barnsley, which is where I came from originally. And I was something of a dunce at Barnsley Grammar School, so it's something of a real achievement.
Well, I'm so very grateful to Huddersfield University for bestowing this tremendous honour onto me. And it's so nice to get it with what's special to me today is I'm getting it with Sir Michael Parkinson, of course. And Parky and myself have been friends for many, many, many years since we were kids when we opened in for Barnsley Cricket Club together. And we've kept our friendship all these years, and that friendship has meant more to me than anything.
This is one of the grandest days of my adult life, to be in a position where I can celebrate the lives and careers of these 2 extraordinary Yorkshiremen and be the person that confers the degree on them is, for me personally, a wonderful experience afternoon. But for the university, it's conferring a great deal of honour and distinction on us. And we're very proud of our growing and increasing association with Barnsley, and this will only cement it.
As Chancellor of the University of Huddersfield, I'm delighted to welcome you all to this celebration of the achievements of graduates of the University Centre, Barnsley, part of the University of Huddersfield. So it is with great honour and pride that I confer upon Sir Michael Parkinson, CBE, the award of Honorary Doctor of Letters. By the authority of the university, I give you the award, Doctor of Letters, Honoris Causa. Congratulations, Michael. Oh, I got it the wrong way around. On the left. There we are. Many congratulations.
Chancellor, I present to you for the award of Doctor of Civil Laws, Honoris Causa, Harold Dennis Bird, MBE.
I confer the award Doctor of Civil Laws Honoris Causa. Congratulations.